with Miss Universe 2010 fourth runner-up, the beautiful Miss Venus Ra. Thank you. Venus, unang-una, are you satisfied with the placement of Shamsi this year?
Well, unang-una din, ha? Unang-una din, ha? Shamsi is satisfied kung ano man yung narating niya this year. At ako, bilang Binibining Pilipinas last year, kung ano yung narating niya ngayon, kung anong nakikita ko kay Shamsi ngayon, dahil satisfied siya, satisfied ako for her.
Alam natin bago umalis si Shamsi, very driven siya, nakita natin yan. Venus, yung mga susunod sa inyong dalawa, dapat ba silang kabahan?
Hindi naman siguro dapat kabahan. Siguro, ano lang, i-improve lang kung ano yung mga balak pa nilang gawin next year. And ako, I'm just so happy na ito, fourth runner-up and then third runner-up. Ibig sabihin, nag-i-improve tayo, umaakit tayo every year. Why not next year, di ba?
Venus, dun sa mga susunod na girls, bigyan na kagad natin sila ng message.
Ang aga ng message na to para sa mga susunod na girls. Pero, ngayon pa lang siguro, kung gusto din talaga nilang sumali ng Binibining Pilipinas, paghandaan na talaga nila. Oo. Oh, wow, alam talaga ni Sir Boyet kung kailan dapat maghanda. So yun, paghandaan na nila kaagad ngayon kasi hindi naman madali ang proseso lang yun. Si Shamsi, oo, it's her siguro first pageant ang Binibini and then second pageant ang Miss Universe. Pero hindi nyo alam kung anong klaseng paghahanda yung ginawa ng batang yan. So ngayon pa lang, pag-igihan na. Para pagdating ng panahon, pagdating ng screening pa lang, makikita mo na ay winner to. Pwede itong pang international pageant at pwede itong mag-place sa Miss Universe.
Siyempre, dun sa mga followers mo, ano yung mga susunod na abangan namin sa'yo?
Well, still, umagang kay ganda every morning and then that's Mondays to Fridays and then ASAP every Sunday. And hopefully this September, may lalabas ako na project. Maybe not with show business, pero abangan nyo yun kasi malaking tulong to para sa bansa natin. At alam ko na hindi lang yung sarili ko ang mag-i-improve dito, pero marami akong matutulungang iba pang tao.
Hi, good afternoon, Belle.
Good afternoon, Ollie.
Okay, Bella, what do you think about Shamsi's performance in the Miss Universe?
Ako, super ecstatic. Talaga sobrang galing niya doon. And she did her best. Lahat ng kaya niya, binigay niya.
Ano yung mga, i-share mo naman sa mga viewers natin, ano yung mga reactions niyo during that day ng Miss Universe? Alam ko, sabay-sabay kayo nanood nun eh.
Lahat kami nagtatalunan, aside from the top 10. Lahat yun, lahat ng tinawag siya, lahat kami nagtatalunan. Pero syempre, during the last part, medyo yung iba hindi masyadong natuwa na third runner-up siya. Pero kaming mga girls, sobrang tuwa na kami sa achievement niya kasi it's not a joke and hindi madali na makapasok pa lang sa top yung unang elimination. So, just to be on the top 5, sobrang achievement na yun.
Okay. Alam mo naman natin, Belle, that a lot of people are also expecting na sana, hopefully, you also could have an international competition. So what are your thoughts na sana rin? I am very hopeful that you'll be able to represent the Philippines. Ano yung nararamdaman mo about this?
Ako kasi right now, according to the BPCI management, they're still looking pa and I think they're looking for a pageant and wala pa kasi sa akin sinasabi any details. So sa akin, wala pa talaga akong alam about the pageant.
Belle, yung message mo para kay Shamsi, hopefully mapanood na niya to in the next coming days.
Shams, congratulations and we love you so much and sabi naman sa'yo prayer moves mountains and talagang yung prayer brigade namin really worked. Yan, congratulations and we love you.
Ay, anak, I'm so proud of you. Kahit medyo matanda ka sa akin ng konti, I'm a proud ate. Wala lang. Sobrang ganito pala yung feeling na kakilala mo yung tao, malapit sa iyo yung tao, and then magko-compete siya, and then manunood ka, ikaw yung kinakabahan, ikaw yung feeling mo na tinatanong doon, ikaw yung feeling mong rumarampa, at nung nanalo siya, feeling mo ikaw din yung nanalo. So I thank you for giving honor once again to the Philippines. And I know your family is so happy, your mom is so happy, at alam ko that the Lord is so happy for you. Kasi sabi, di ba, you have to honor the Lord before men, and He will honor you in heaven before His Father. So I'm so happy that you are my sister in faith, and you are my sister in Aces and Queens, and you're my sister in Binibining Pilipinas. So I'm just a proud sister. Congratulations, anak.
Praise God. And thank you so much for the both of you for giving honor to the Philippines. Thank you.